Good evening and a warm welcome to everyone present here. We welcome you to another exciting season of Lakme Fashion Week Winter Festive 2014 at a new venue, the Palladium Hotel, one of the most luxurious and glamorous destinations of city of Mumbai right now. As pioneers of Fashion Week, Lakme Fashion Week continues to redefine the future of fashion in India. With our Gen Next program in collaboration with INIFT and our Jabong Stage program for emerging designers, we are at the forefront of discovering and encouraging young and exciting designers. In terms of showcasing designers on the ramp, Lakme Fashion Week is by far the largest fashion week in India. This time we are featuring 86 designers from 12 cities in 43 shows. I'm happy to note that out of these 86 designers, 50 designers are emerging designers and 10 designers will be making their debut at Lakme Fashion Week. At the INIFT Gen Next show, we are presenting 6 designers who have been shortlisting from more than 400 applications, and they will be groomed by expert mentor Anita Dongre for their launch in the fashion industry. It is our privilege to have Manish Malhotra as our grand finale designer. He's one of the topmost designers of our country in terms of retail and brand awareness, and we look forward to him creating magic on the ramp in his signature style. For the first time, the Lakme Fashion Week opening show in collaboration with DHL has been given to 2 young, exciting designers. With Masaba and Amit Agarwal opening the Lakme Fashion Week, the upcoming season is all set to begin the celebration of fashion in a grand manner. I'm pleased to welcome an enviable lineup of designers whom we will be showcasing this season, such as Anju Modi, Anita Dongre, Varun Bahal, Arjun Khanna, Shantanu and Nikhil, Rocky S, Vikram Fadnis, Krishna Mehta, Sanjay Garg, and Priyadarshini Rao. Lakme Fashion Week continues to be global in its outlook and believes in showcasing international talent and integrating India into the global fashion map. This season, we are showcasing the celebrated Australian duo, Easton Pearson, who will be making their first foray in the Indian market. We're also excited to host 4 exceptional designers from our neighboring country, Pakistan. Both countries have some extraordinary talent and similarities in the field of fashion and culture, and we are happy to bring them all together on our platform. This show is being presented by popexo.com and Hello Pakistan. We are happy to present yet another edition of our successful initiative of Indian Handloom and Textile Day. This time the focus is on young designers like Vaishali S., Soumitra Mondal, Pratima Pandey, Shruti Sancheti, and Anavila Mishra to showcase and present India's heritage handlooms. The day will end with a stylish showcase of contemporary Indian weaves by Sanjay Garg for Raw Mango, who makes his Fashion Week debut at the Lakme Fashion Week. One of the leading online fashion retailers of India, Jabong.com, has become the associate partner of Lakme Fashion Week. We welcome Jabong.com on board and look forward to a successful season with them. The Jabong Stage is a unique platform for the emerging designers in India and for experimental formats. In its second edition, Jabong Stage will present the best of emerging designers and conceptual presentations from 2 established designers, Anuj Sharma and Little Shilpa. It will also feature trend-setting events like the fashion film premiere and the Friday Funda. Jabong Stage will also feature a first-of-its-kind kids fashion show which is being presented by Hamleys in partnership with Barbie and Hot Wheels. Lakme Fashion Week is one of the leading fashion weeks across the world in terms of digital footprint. Our social media community has more than 1.2 million followers, and the hashtag Lakme Fashion Week had a reach of more than 10 million users in the last season. We continue with YouTube as our broadcast partner to give the front row experience to the entire world in our endeavor to democratize the Indian fashion. On behalf of Lakme Fashion Week Advisory Board and IMG Reliance, I'd like to thank everyone. A big thank you to our partners and stakeholders, designers, media, sponsors, and the fashion fraternity at large for your continued support to our event. Last but not the least, our sincere thanks to our partners Lakme for last 14 years for their continued support and commitment to the Indian fashion industry. I would like to invite you all to the Lakme Fashion Week on 19th of August at the Palladium Hotel to celebrate the best of Indian fashion. Thank you.
Thank you, Saket. May I now request Ms. Purnima Lamba, Head Innovations, Lakme, to say a few words, please.
So I'd like to welcome you again to this new venue, this very glamorous new venue. I must say I was under great pressure to up the ante, to match this wonderful, glamorous surrounding today. So I've made a huge effort. I hope it's showing. Yeah, thank you, Manish. I think we do some great things here at Lakme Fashion Week. We do define the future of fashion in the sense of discovering new talent. We do new formats. We do things at Jabong, which are the first world, and we're very excited about presenting the latest runway styles to you. But what Lakme does with it is, for me personally, far more interesting because we actually translate those styles into looks. So the runway styles are what we take into the world of makeup and skincare, and I'm very excited that between the past season and now, we've just launched what we call Absolute Gloss, which is what we're seeing trending across runways over the world. And apart from Lakme's Absolute collection of hydrating skincare and a very high shine lipstick, which is called Gloss Addict, we've also just recently opened a wonderful Lakme Absolute Salon in Bandra, so I hope all of you have had a chance to experience it. And we're currently running a lovely limited edition styling festival there called Runways of the World. So please do to go and have an experience of it in Bandra. Every season, what we do, of course, is to collaborate with some of the finest design talent in the country and introduce a new trend for the season. This year, we're doing things slightly differently. So what we're doing this year is because it's winter festive and, it's the festive season, weddings are on everyone's mind. Lakme, being the jewel also as part of the Indian woman's trousseau, has decided to sort of consolidate this effort and introduce a team that we call the Lakme Absolute Bridal Dream Team. And this year, it's Manish who's joined hands with us, as well as Corey Walia, who is Lakme's own stalwart in the field of makeup. And we're very excited to be able to offer every Indian bride this season the chance to be styled by Manish, by Corey, and the Lakme Absolute team. So may I please present the Lakme Bridal Dream Team AV. So that's a little sneak peek into the finale in store for this season. But I'd like to invite Manish now to share a few words on the thoughts and inspirations behind putting together the Gloss finale for us.
So first, before I speak about Gloss, I have to say that Lakme for me is home. Lakme Fashion Week for me is something that I'm really emotional about. For me, it's like when I'm doing a show, and if I miss some of those fashion weeks, I've always felt very sad about that, because I remember in the year 2000, when I had not even launched my label, I was just a costume designer, and I was just starting about with a store called Reverie with Yash and Avanti, and I was invited to do a finale at that time with Rohit Bal and Reena Dhaka, and it was my first mainstream show, and I was starting with a finale, and that's how Lakme has been very kind, and it's always been very encouraging to new designers. And nowadays, that when we have those applications, we're all fighting and say, this person's really good, we must give this person another chance. And then now they've, of course, said the board can't recommend anybody, because all our meetings go on for the entire day. So Lakme, I feel, is one of those fashion weeks which is very fair, very encouraging, and has this great amalgamation and a great mix of established designers, emerging designers, and newcomer designers. And I love the energy of all of us being together. I see some of my ex-assistants doing shows. We are here, all of us together. And to me, it's like home, and also Gloss, because we, 2.5 years ago, I think we launched Absolute, and now we are back to doing Absolute Gloss. So a finale is always very special because it's got everybody's eyes on it because it's the launch of the product. But I think when a fashion week is concerned, every single show of every designer is as special. Not only to the designer, to the fashion week, and to all the people who are watching it. Gloss for us is a world trend right now, and it's an international trend, and we are interpreting it in my way in terms of very Indian clothes, very bridal. But having said that, it's not an out-and-out bridal collection. It's a collection which is modern. It speaks about a very eclectic, modern bride who inspires and loves tradition, but is speaking a language of today. So that's what Absolute Gloss is going to be this season.
Thank you. Thank you, Purnima and Manish. Can I now request...
As the team has already mentioned, right, there could not have been a better platform to onboard and bring and showcase the best of Indian fashion. I think our experience over the last season has been tremendous. We are extremely bullish about the potential of Indian fashion designers coming out of India, one, and two, are also extremely committed to bringing the best of global fashion to India. And this season with Lakme, we'll be doing exactly that. Through the Jabong stage, we'll be onboarding and showcasing 21 talented young designers, and the goal is really to see how well we can pick a few of them and kind of make a success story out of that. So that's really our commitment, appreciation for the Indian fashion fraternity. And finally, what we will also be doing is overall to bring excitement to the Indian consumers. Today, as of now, many of the best of the international fashion is not really available in India. We will be onboarding River Island and Miss Selfridge to India, and we'll be showcasing the Autumn Winter collection on Lakme Fashion Week. So extremely excited about that, and these brands are in many ways truly iconic. They come up with collections every 10 days. So through this, we really want to provide excitement to the Indian consumers, and overall, very excited about the partnership with Lakme Fashion Week. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Arun. I now request Mr. Sandeep Juneja, Vice President, Sales and Marketing, DHL Express India, to kindly say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of DHL, I, Sandeep Juneja, welcome you all to yet another exciting season of Lakme Fashion Week. Now, as Absolute Gloss is getting launched by Lakme, and as you're getting more brands into India, Arun, I think what we've been doing in the last 12 months, we've been putting more planes around the world. So we've added some more freighters to our about 300-odd freighters that we fly globally, DHL freighters. We've added more hubs. We've added a new hub in China, and a hub typically means for us 100 freighters can park themselves at one time in a hub. So that's what we do in the business supply chain. So anyhow, so continuing, I think as has been famously said, fashion is a language. Some know it, some learn it, some never will. It's like an instinct. And DHL knows fashion. Every day is a fashion show, and the world is our runway. We've been in the business of fashion in India for about 40 years now. What you see at any fashion week around the world is a runway show which lasts for about 17 minutes. But what goes behind the scenes to put the show together with speed and precision is a lot of logistics and planning. As the world's largest, as the world's most international logistics player, our expertise is to support designers and the fashion industry to deliver their collections to cities and countries across the world in perfect condition. To present a scenario of how DHL works with fashion designers, we deliver samples, accessories, merchandise which go into making of a collection. So designer can be sitting anywhere, accessories can come from some other part of the world, and samples can move to another part of the world. To the final delivery of these collections to stores around the world, and we work in 220 countries, once a buyer makes a choice. And fashion and apparel, as well as luxury goods, are key industries to which DHL provides customized and superior logistics services for over 40 years now. This season, which is our 8th year of participation and association with IMGR, Lakme Fashion Week, we are very happy to present to you extremely talented Masaba Gupta and extremely talented again Amit Agarwal, two very young, very talented, and very, very creative designers. Masaba and Amit will be presenting the opening show. So it's a very special moment for us to be participating in the opening show. So you can all look forward to a very stylish start to the season. DHL is very proud with this association with IMGR and with this high energy and high innovative designers. And together, we look forward to once again enthralling the audience. Thank you.
Thank you and a very good evening to all of you. First of all, extreme thanks to all the organizers of Lakme Fashion Week over the last 8 odd seasons. And as I gather, I think this is one of the most iconic events that happen across the country. And people across the country and from around the world actually keep looking forward to this particular week in the calendar of Indian system. Towards that, let me, for some of the uninitiated, let me just go back a little and introduce you to the brand called Himalayan. As you see out here, as I hear so many people out here, the thirst for more, the thirst for doing more, bringing more to the consumers is never quenched. And that's where the play of a brand like Himalayan comes into the fore. We Indians, as you all are very familiar with, we have a particular kind of a taste profile, and we can compromise on various things, even at the cost of health, but we can't compromise on our taste buds. Just to familiarize you with what Himalayan actually does is, being the source as Himalayas, where all the organic minerals are there, this is a brand which actually takes in all the naturalness from its ecosystem, and that's what is presented to each one of its consumers in its most untouched, pristine format till the last drop. As we all know, there is an immense amount of growing awareness and affinity towards health, natural, as well as something which is organic today. In the repertoire of brands that we deal with in NourishCo, Himalayan happens to be seated at the top end of the bracket, which absolutely addresses to the most relevant of the needs today in terms of natural as well as a healthy option for whatever we want to drink. We have been associated with Lakme Fashion Week for a few years now, and it's really, really great to be back out here. Let me promise to you that this is going to be bigger and better this year. Why do I say so? Number one, we are going to be associated this year with the designer duo of Shantanu and Nikhil, who are out there. So a big round of applause for Shantanu and Nikhil. The second bit is we are extending it a little bit further. What we have done is, when we want any of our brands like Lakme Fashion Week and most of the designers out here who are aspiring to bring fashion to more accessible levels, similarly we aim at bringing Himalayan as a brand to a higher degree of accessibility. And that's where the role of another art icon comes into play. What we are doing is we are associating with another artist of repute, Brinda Miller. Lots of you who are from
their official knowledge partner. To encourage, and this is the 3rd consecutive season of INIFD to present the Gen Next show of Lakme Fashion Week, the premium platform for all the budding designers. 2 decades into the realm of education, we feel it's a great step to integrate education and information to the fashion weeks. We look at playing a pivotal role in the partnership to bring in resources that shall help the industry grow, and at the same time, we are aiming to enhance the education experience at INIFD by being part of Lakme Fashion Winter Festive 2014. To focus on interior design programs, INIFD has launched this year the INIFD Academy of Interiors, mentored by Bollywood star and celebrity interior designer Twinkle Khanna, and supported by other international brands like Durovit, Hello Kitty, and CIA International. The journey of INIFD at Lakme Fashion Week has been a pleasant one from its first leg of association, with designer Masaba Gupta winning the INIFD Most Promising Designer Awards. Our student designers, Shubham, Kavita, Asaboy, Manoj Kumar, Vinod Bhardwaj, Sukhwant, and Astha, and of course Sabah Khan, have displayed their collections at Lakme Fashion Week. Hundreds of INIFD students have got a chance to be a core member of the implementation team in the process of dealing with designers and buyers in also hundreds of garments designed by our INIFD students have been displayed at an exclusive INIFD stall at The Source. INIFD is the world's largest network of fashion learning center and is imparting knowledge and building careers of nearly 20,000 students across the country every year. We progressed from national to international by opening centers across the continent with IMB Milan as our strategic international partner. Our association with Lakme Fashion Week stands for the true cause of fashion and the future of Indian design and the bright new young talent of this country.
Kshetra Group, we are into manufacturing. We have around 1,000 workforce of all the manufacturing like machine embroideries and now. We have come up with our brand, Nakashi, for the last 2 years. And right now, we are doing really good. It's all about ethnic wear and something really peppy for today's women. We have associated right now with Vikram Fadnis, who will be launching his collection. And the purpose is to get a class for a mass. And it's going to be an exciting show. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. May I request Mr.
Doing this show with best of our intentions. Every season we present international designers. So we've got Naeem Khan from America, we got Moy from UK, we are showcasing Australian designers also. And there was an opportunity to showcase designers from Pakistan. And as I said, that we have extraordinary talent in both the countries, and I think it'll be an amazing show. So I do not see any trouble for this show right now.
And I think when we signed Karina for Lakme, it was about two years ago. So that's the time when we did the finale and launched Absolute. And right after 2 years, we're doing Absolute Gloss. So it isn't that much time. And I'm right now shooting a song with her for Singham too. And so I've been working with her, yeah. So it's just 2 years. Is that good?
Every month.
Sorry? Three years, yeah. No, I mean, that's because, yeah, in terms of on the Lakme platform, it's 3 years, but I'm quite associated with her quite closely.
Hello, Manish. Over here. My name is Shania, and you've always been one of my favorite designers.
Thank you.
I would love to know how you're planning to, add gloss to your collection. You know, how you're planning to incorporate with gloss in your collection.
Well, I thought I was always accused of being too glossy. So that's nice to hear. Thank you. I think we've just finished an entire bridal show recently in Delhi, and which was a lot of gold, and it's a lot of for the bride, But this show, for me, is different. I mean, different being the most abused word in fashion, and but in terms of it's not bridal per se, but yet it is winter festive. It's about a bride who I said is very modern, so she's not necessarily going in for gold, but she's choosing gloss, which is more texture, which is actually an international trend as well. And we are trying to interpret it in my kind of language, which is very Indian. And I think it should be a kind of trend for the winter festive season. I think I think it should become a very popular trend, which is staying away from gold and too much of ornate, and it's got more style and more shine and texture.
Looking forward to what you have for us.
Thank you.
you.
Well, राज तो आप ऑर्गेनाइजर से पूछिए, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक अपने करियर में 24 इयर्स हो गए किसी हीरोइन को फ़ोन नहीं किया, किसी डायरेक्टर को फ़ोन नहीं किया, ना किसी स्पॉन्सर या फैशन वीक को फ़ोन किया है कि मुझे ज़रूर बुलाइए. बट आई थिंक कि मैं मेहनत बहुत करता हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि हर शो मेरा पहला शो है. बल्कि इनफैक्ट अभी जब मैं दिल्ली में था मेरा शो था, आई फेल इन स्ट्रेस की वजह से. तो आई थिंक एक वो भी होता है, हाउ मच यू लव योर वर्क.
मनीष, वो क्या चीज़ है जो आपको इतना इंस्पायर करती है, मोटिवेट करती है इस तरह से, क्योंकि हर बार जो नया टैलेंट आता है उनसे आपको कॉम्पीट करना है. मार्केट में लोग तो है, लेकिन जो नया भी आता है उनसे भी आप कॉम्पीट कर रहे हैं. तो वो क्या चीज़ है जो आपको इतना इंस्पायर.
वेल, आई थिंक दैट मेरे लिए आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस साउंड्स, बट इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी सुबह जब मैं उठता हूँ मैं ये नहीं सोचता हूँ कि दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं, ओ माय गॉड बहुत से यंगस्टर्स आ गए हैं, या मैं उनका काम देखूँ या मैं ऐसे करूँ. वो सब मैं आई वेक अप टू बीइंग बिजी, टू डूइंग व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. एंड आई थिंक मैं लकी हूँ कि मैं उस प्रोफेशन में हूँ जो मुझे बहुत बेहद पसंद है.
अच्छा मनीष, आपके नाम के साथ एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी होता है कि हाँ मनीष मल्होत्रा मतलब ट्रस्ट है. तो ये जो ट्रस्ट आपने ओवर द ईयर बिल्ड किया है, कभी ऐसा एक मौका आया होगा कि यार ये चीज़, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए.
वो ट्रस्ट कभी कभी बहुत और टेंशन भी देता है. बट आई थिंक दैट व्हेन यू लव समथिंग दैट यू डू and you're lucky that you wake up in the morning to go and do something that you love to do, and I find myself blessed.
Manish, इस बार क्या नया होगा?
Well, the thing is, the collection is called Gloss. I think 3 years ago we launched the Absolute collection with Kareena, जब पहली बार वो Lakme के brand ambassador बनी थी, and this time it's Absolute Gloss. Gloss has been एक बहुत ही international trend रहा है इस बार. Texture, lots of fabric में जो एक gloss है, और उसे एक विंटर फेस्टिव इंडियन कलेक्शन में इंटरप्रेट करना. एम्ब्रॉयडरीज आर लेस, लाइक मैंने कहा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे भी, देयर इज़ नो गोल्ड एम्ब्रॉयडरी. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी इंटरेस्टिंगली लेड आउट एज अ कलेक्शन, एंड इट्स मॉडर्न मगर येट इट्स गॉट माई एसेंस ऑफ इंडियन कलेक्शन.
ये हम लोग स्पेशल कर रहे हैं मानसून से जुड़ा हुआ है. मानसून में अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए आप क्या करें?
मैं मॉनसून में फिट रखने के लिए, मैं तो अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ इतने स्ट्रेसेस के साथ, और काम और दिल्ली और मुंबई उन सब के साथ. तो वेल, फिट रखने के लिए यू हैव टू वर्क आउट, बट ऑल्सो एंजॉय द बॉम्बे रेंज. वेल, करीना के साथ it's a song with Honey Singh and Ajay Devgan and Kareena. It's a promotional song. And it's going to be launched on the 1st of August. And Kareena, in fact, आज ही सुबह करीना और मैं डिस्कस कर रहे थे जब लोग लैक्मे फैशन वीक की बात कर रहे थे और फिनाले के बारे में. I was telling her कि it's been, she said, my God, I've been working for 15 years. I said, you've been working for 15 years. Next year, I'll complete 25 years in the film industry and 10 years to my label. And my association with Lakme will also be 14-year-old. So it's a journey that you go on with, and that's what it is. चांद दिख गया है, चांद मुबारक हो और सबको ईद बहुत मुबारक हो.
In English. Whatever you want.
Please camera look रखिएगा क्योंकि कैमरा
It's in English or in Hindi? Whatever you want.
आप जिसमें प्रेफर करें.
So this collection, we've actually I've gone into this revival mode of the chins, which is actually an Indian export, which is called cheat, and I've explored it because it was stolen from us by the Europeans. So I want to own it. So it's all about the cheat which now is called Chins.
अच्छा, हर बार एक ये प्रेशर होता है कि मेरा शो लोगों से अलग दिखना चाहिए, तो इस बार आप क्या नया करने वाले हैं?
कुछ भी नया नहीं. There's nothing new. It's all about clothes are meant to sell, and it's all about a new collection which is exciting visually. When you see a collection, it should be something which you feel like I want to wear, I want to buy. That's what it's about.
Thank you and best of
You want me to do this?
Yeah. Roll, guys.
Wishing everyone a very happy Eid Mubarak.
Thank you. Parvati. Yeah. Now solo. Parvati. Look at this one. Ma'am, here. Look at this. Yeah. Look here. Thank you. Someone is here.
See, last time you presented something which was very romantic and beautiful and pretty. And this time we are going back into the history. We are trying to bring in an era, bygone era, and present it in a certain way. So we are working on textiles from the history. As you can see what she is wearing right now. So it's basically rediscovering the Indus Valley civilization in various aspects. So textiles, jewelry, all the other ornaments.
कुंदा आप क्या कहेंगी?
मैं बहुत excited हूँ क्योंकि I mean normally I don't really stay away from fashion and fashion weeks, but I'm really excited that I'm wearing Anavila's clothes because they feel so me. I feel I'm naturally drawn to these organic cottons, linens, and the way she's used this applique, it's applique, right, of different crafts of that time. So I'm really excited.
कुंदा हमने आपको कभी इस अवतार में इस गेटअप में नहीं देखा. तो जब आप तैयार हुए, first time you saw it, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था उसके बारे में?
Well, first time हमने fitting किया था उनके store में, so I knew what was coming. So we were like, and we were all on the same page. I think all of us agreed, and we all liked the same kind of, I like her taste. I think we all agreed on the same colors and drapes, so it worked really well together.
We are looking forward to burn the rap on Lakme Fashion Week.
Sorry?
Looking forward to burn the.
I think this is enough for me.
इवेंट से थोड़ा हटकर अगर हम बात करें, आजकल बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज जो है वो कबड्डी को काफ़ी बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं. तो अगर आपको कोई टीम खरीदने का मौका मिले तो किस आप टीम खरीदेंगे और किस एक्टर को लेंगे अपनी टीम में?
आइडिया नहीं है मेरे पास. कोई नहीं. I think it's great because it's like it's a really Indian sport. Everybody knows how to play it. I'm really glad it's coming to the national floor. Unfortunately, I personally don't know much about it, but I'm enthusiastic because it's an Indian game.
कल ईद है तो एक विश कर दीजिए.
Eid Mubarak to everybody out there. Looking forward to the good food. Thank you. मैं तो लाउड ही बोलती हूँ.
नहीं एक्चुअली वो स्पीकर बोलते हैं. जानना चाहिए क्या प्लान्स आपके हैं?
मुझे एक्चुअली आपकी आवाज़ नहीं सुनाई दी.
क्या प्लान्स आपके LFW के लिए?
मेरे प्लान्स तो ये है फ़िलहाल कि मैं सोनम एंड पारस मोदी का ये ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट मैंने पहना हुआ है एंड मैंने बहुत टाइम से पसंद करके आई हूँ. सो इट्स अ प्रिविलेज कि मैं इनके लिए यहाँ पर आई हूँ एंड दे आर ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन वो शोकेस करेंगे तो वो उसके बारे में ये बताएंगे.
It's our privilege firstly to have Gaur as a muse right now, and this time's collection is inspired from the Spanish tiles, and it's called the Maestro, and we are going to be using monochromatic colors and some deep velvets and emeralds and maroons, and like too much of gold and everything we're going to be using. So that's the collection going to be of this time, Autumn Winter 2014.
Well, first time we're doing something very different. In our line, we're doing a whole line of evening wear dresses and jackets inspired by the Spanish matador, and the collection is called Maestro.
मेरे आपसे दो सवाल हैं. सबसे पहले तो आपको चांद मुबारक.
थैंक यू. आप सभी को चांद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक.
कल ईद है तो क्या प्लानिंग है उसके बारे में, और हम शीर कुरमा अगर हमें खाना हो तो कहाँ आना पड़ेगा?
हाँ वो तो मेरे घर पे, लेकिन प्लान्स यही है कि होपफुली ये दो अच्छे लोग मुझे एक अच्छा गिफ्ट आउटफिट करेंगे और मैं ईद के दिन वो फ्लॉन्ट करूँगी. बट ऐसे कपड़े तो नहीं पहन सकती हूँ, बट अगर ईद के अलावा मुझे ये पहनना पड़े तो आई बी मोर देन हैप्पी. आई लव देयर क्लोथ्स.
सलमान की किक रिलीज हुई है, आपने देखी क्या? क्या देखने जाएंगे या उसके बारे में कुछ बता पाएंगे?
रमज़ान में एक्चुअली ज़्यादा फिल्में देखी नहीं जाती, सो ईद के बाद ज़रूर जाऊँगी. एंड मेरी
मेरे सेकंड कज़न की फिल्म है, साजिद मेरे कज़न हैं, तो मैं ज़रूर जाऊंगी और सपोर्ट करूंगी।
एक ईद की विश कर दीजिएगा आप।
सभी लोगों को, सभी दर्शकों को गौर खान और सोनम एंड पारस मोदी की तरफ से ईद मुबारक।
थैंक यू।
एक्चुअली मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो, क्या कहोगे कलेक्शन के बारे में?
I think firstly I'm wearing Vidhi Mehra or thank you for the compliment, and I really like the collection. Her inspiration is moonlight, and I love the whole romantic feel and the color she's used, and I think जो सबसे favorite बात है is the embroidery. It's really beautiful.
Would like to know the designs from your end.
Sorry?
The designs.
What?
About
them. So as she said, the collection is inspired by moonlight. It's called Mystical Nuit. So we've taken out shades from the night, and it's a very romantic sort of a collection. And as she said, my highlight is the embroidery. So I've tried to play around the embroidery. We've played with a lot of silhouettes this time, more of Western silhouettes which I've not done before. So it'll be something different that I'll be presenting at Lakme Fashion.
मेरा आपसे दो सवाल है। पहला तो दो सवाल है और दोनों भी अलग हैं। मानसून में अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं?
मानसून में अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए एक्चुअली वो बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है क्योंकि जब बारिश हो रहा है तो मन करता है कि सिर्फ घर में बैठ के कॉफ़ी पियो या चाय पियो और मूवीज़ देखो, बट आई थिंक माई जॉब इज सच कि मैं वो कर नहीं पाती, तो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई गो टू द जिम।
और दूसरा सवाल क्या, कल ईद है तो चाहूँगा कि आप ईद विश कर दें।
मैं सबसे कहूँगी ईद मुबारक, बहुत बहुत ईद मुबारक, एंड या आई थिंक इट्स बिन अ लॉन्ग मंथ ऑफ ईद, तो कल मैं आपको मुबारक और खुशियाँ विश करूँगी।
थैंक यू। थोड़ा और कर looking very gorgeous. Tell us about the collection that you're wearing.
Suneha is from Hyderabad, and I have a deep connection with Hyderabad. It's a beautiful outfit, sort of Victorian, very French, and has lovely embroidery, very intricate design, a lot of hard work put in. What I like about the outfit, she was telling me that she's used ahimsa fabric, which she'll talk much about, and the embroidery and the splash of colors. It's young and it's fun. I think she should talk about the embroidery.
The highlight of the collection is the French embroidery which has been used. It's called the petit point. The embroidery is so intricate that it's measured every square inch. Like in a square inch, there is about 2,000 stitches in every square inch. So it's a very, very, very fine and a very intricate embroidery. It was done. It's a French embroidery done in a very, the British era, and it was a very, very expensive embroidery. So it's just the first time that it's got very commercial and come out in garments. Like it was used in the bedspreads and the tablecloths. So it's the first time I've actually tried to make it commercially available and viable for people. So
श्रेया, मेरा आपसे 3 सवाल है। पहला तो एज एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस आप किसी डिज़ाइनर को क्या टिप्स देने चाहिए, अगर वो कोई डिज़ाइन करते तो उन्हें क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए?
मेरे ख्याल से हर डिज़ाइनर का अपना एक स्टाइल होता है, एक अपना अंदाज़ होता है, और उसे अपना अंदाज़, अपना स्टाइल फॉलो करना चाहिए. Yes, but when you make clothes for someone specifically, it's nice. There's a marriage. There is kind of a mixture of both their styles and both their ideas come together. So that's really important.
दूसरा सवाल मेरा ये है, थोड़ा सा अलग है. मानसून चल रहा है, तो मानसून में अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए आप क्या करें?
वही जो हर मौसम में करती हूँ. स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकते इस मौसम में, मगर योगा, आई डू योगा 5 times a week. I work out, I meditate and enjoy the rain.
कल ईद है तो चाहूँगा कि आप ईद मुबारक करें और आपको भी बहुत बहुत
आप सबको ईद मुबारक मेरी तरफ से. मैं हाल ही में हैदराबाद में थी तो बहुत सारी हलीम खाए और दावत के लिए आई एम वेटिंग फॉर ऑल द गुड फूड। आप सबको ईद मुबारक, आपका ये साल बहुत अच्छा जाए और बहुत बहुत खुशियाँ आपके लिए। जाते वक्त मैं मैं इनको बोलना चाहूँगी कि आई थिंक यू शुड टॉक अबाउट द फैब्रिक, द सिल्क यू आर यूजिंग व्हिच इज़ अहिंसा।
Oh yeah. The very important aspect of this collection, tiles. I have used the Ahimsa silk, I have used the Muga silk, and I have used the Tussar silk. So the highlight of Ahimsa silk is that it's called Ahimsa because there is no harm done to the worm. So the worm is allowed to go free, and then the silk yarn is come out of it. So that's the highlight of Ahimsa silk. So I've gotten this Indian textiles together to make a very contemporary and urban collection. So
that's really cool. I really wanted to like let.
Please welcome Shubhika Raza Kiara. Kiara.
Well, I'm wearing Paparoon Preet, Shubhika's outfit. I think her collection this time called Frozen. I think I'd like her to tell you a little bit about her collection.
Yeah, so it's very young, but at the same time, it's for women of all ages in the sense that, should we pick up one of the mics? No? Okay. It's for girls who like to preserve all that is dear to them, all their sweet memories, like a tattoo. So, they want to preserve it in exactness. They almost want to freeze it. So that's why you see a lot of lilacs and happy colors, but at the same time, you see a lot of like frozen shine and glitz and glamour in my collection.
And I think that's what complements my personality with her collection. Our association goes back to my first film, Fugly, when I had promotions. I think each of her outfits are very dramatic. Every piece is a statement, and what's amazing is you can mix and match a lot of things. So even this, what I'm wearing today, is a trench coat that we've made into this wrap dress, and it's really cool. It's summery. We've kept it icy. Our Bombay summers are not very our winters. I'm sorry. Our Mumbai winters is Lakme winter, correct? Our winters are not very are not too cold. So, keeping that in mind, I think having the style that we like to wear in winter with keeping it short and still,
so
the weather is amazing.
A lot of short dresses and a lot of backless dresses. And at the same time, since we are doing accessories, you'll see a lot of snow around the shoes. So that's the highlight of the collection, that you'll actually see actual snow on the shoes.
Very icy and dramatic.
And she's the perfect muse.
I think it's great for everyone young.
मेरे दो सवाल हैं और दोनों भी अलग हैं. Sorry. मानसून में अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं?
अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए actually, fortunately, I'm a little blessed and I'm on I'm not on the heavy side, but I go to the gym and I eat right. That's what everyone does. So that's what I do.
अच्छा कल ईद है तो एक ईद की विश करते हैं.
मैं सारे दर्शकों को ईद मुबारक कहना चाहूँगी and everybody go watch Kick if you haven't watched it. I think हम सबको अपनी ईद लेने जानी चाहिए Kick देख के. So yeah.
Thank you
so much.
लग रही हैं आप.
Thank you.
आपके आउटफिट के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
ये जो आउटफिट है made for the new season which is going to come out, and basically वियतनाम में एक ट्राइब है जिनसे स्वाति बहुत इंस्पायर हुई थी, एंड उस ट्राइब के जो पैटर्न्स है एंड जो मोटिव्स है उनको sort of मुद्दे like keeping it that in mind, she has designed the entire new collection. So I think it's a very beautiful dress. It has a jacket, it's very non-conformist, it's something you'd want to wear, which is it has a touch of an authenticity to it, but it's also something that I think anywhere in the world you could wear.
तो ये पहनकर आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड नाउ यू से समथिंग अबाउट इट.
So basically this collection of mine, it's inspired by the Hmong tribe of Vietnam, and in that what I've tried to do is I've taken the geometric pattern and I've taken, like, lotus is like the national flower of Vietnam, and like dragon is the national animal. So in this collection what I've done is I've taken geometric lotuses, dragons and everything and created a collection using thread British shibori. So the garment you see Diksha wearing, it's like a geometric shibori, like the dress is made of geometric shibori and using pleating, which is like that you find
मानसून में आई थिंक मानसून हो या विंटर हो, फिट अगर आपको फिट रहना है तो आई थिंक यू नो दैट जस्ट बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स यू शुड जो आप खाना यू नो यू हैव टू कंट्रोल योर फूड एंड कंट्रोल द पोर्शंस दैट यू ईट एंड आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट यू नो अपने आप को एक्टिव रखना है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आप जिम जाए बट एनी फॉर्म ऑफ एक्टिविटी एंड आई थिंक कि यू नो जो मानसून में आप ज़्यादा बाहर जाकर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेल सकते, ज़्यादा यू नो जो आउटडोर इवेंट्स होते हैं आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. बट अदर देन दैट इट्स ऑल द सेम. बट मानसून इज लवली. गेट अ अम्ब्रेला और गो फॉर अ नाइस रोमांटिक वॉक. थैंक यू सबको ईद मुबारक एंड it's a you know it's a beautiful festival and I personally have a lot of friends who are you know today and tomorrow and I think already Saudi में ईद हो चुका है तो सबको ईद मुबारक and yeah now go and eat a lot of food.
Thank you.
Thank you.